With all of the work you've already done to reverse or prevent osteoporosis, as you get older, you probably don't want to get a curved neck hump on your upper back. That neck hump is sometimes called a Dowager's hump. It's actually an extra layer of fat on top of the thoracic spine, which is a protective piece of fat right at the C7 vertebra. When your head comes forward, often over time, that area of your spine becomes a high pressure area and the body places a layer of extra fat there to protect it. If you can correct your posture, the neck hump will resolve itself over time. We're going to do some exercises that will either help to reverse the curve that you already have, or it will prevent you from getting that curve in the first place. It's not just one exercise that will help you. It's a series of exercises done on a regular basis that will create good posture for your spine and your shoulders. During 2025, I'll have at least 3 videos with exercises you can do along with me. We need to get out of this posture and into this posture. In this video, we'll unlock the vertebrae, stretch the area, and strengthen the muscles. Let's get to it. Use a rolled up double sock or a small rolled up towel. Lie on your back on the floor, carpeted or on a yoga mat, not on a hard floor without a mat, and not in your bed. Place the stuffed sock at the C7 vertebra at the peak of the hump. Have your knees bent and feet on the floor. Lie on it for 1 minute. I only have a 30-second time clock, so I'll post the time clock twice for a full minute. We have one more exercise on the floor that involves a foam roller. The foam roller should be 36 inches long, and most of you will do a 6-inch diameter, but I'm doing a 4-inch because I'm very small. Your head to hips are going to be on the foam roller as you lie in it. You can use this on the floor, of course. Knees bent, feet on the floor. My physical therapist had me place my hands on my stomach, elbows to the sides, which allows the shoulders to fall back toward the floor. Then we relax in this position for 1 minute. Second, we'll stretch the area, starting with chin tucks. You'll pull your head back an inch or two and hold for 3 seconds. If it helps, you can put one finger up, touching your chin, and then pull your head back an inch or two, and then bring it back to your finger. Feel as if you're pulling your chin back into your throat. We'll do 20 repetitions. Are you ready? Let's start. Pull back, 1, 2, 3, and forward. Pull back, 2, 2, 3, and forward. Pull back, 1, 2, 3, and forward. Pull back, 4, 2, 3, and forward. 5, 2, 3, forward. 6, 2, 3, forward. 7, 2, 3, forward. 8, 2, 3, forward. 9, 2, 3, forward. 10, 2, 3, forward. 11, 2, 3, forward. 12, 2, 3, forward. 13, 2, 3, forward. 14, 2, 3, forward. 15, 2, 3, forward. 16, 2, 3, forward. 17, 2, 3, forward. 18, 2, 3, forward. 19, 2, 3, forward. 22, 3, forward. Next, we'll do the door stretch, and we'll do them at 3 levels: low, medium, and high. This is my favorite of all. So all you need is a doorway, such as a doorway to your bathroom, which is great if there's a mirror right there, you can see yourself. My doorways are a little bit wide, but anything will work. So starting with low, your hands are slightly higher than your waist, and for the low version, you can step into it by stepping 1 foot slightly into the doorway. You'll feel the stretch and hold it for 10 seconds, then release. We'll do this one 3 times, 10 seconds each. Ready? And stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. That was 1. Number 2. And step into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. And 1 more. Step into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, your hands are positioned so that your upper arms are slightly lower than 90 degrees. Your feet are together. We'll repeat the 10-second stretches, and we'll do them 3 times. And for this, I'm just going to lean my body into it. Ready? And lean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1. Ready? Lean again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. And 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, and that's 3. Last, for the high level, move your hands higher so that your elbows are past that 90-degree angle. Do each stretch for 10 seconds again and do it 3 times. Ready? And we'll lean in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Ready for the second one? Lean in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. And the third. Lean in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Release. Good job. Third, we'll strengthen the muscles. We'll start with the scapular pinch. Your upper arms are at your sides and your elbows are bent to form a W. Then rotate your arms back as you pull your shoulder blades together down and back. So you're going to pull your shoulder blades down a bit, and we'll hold for 3 seconds. We'll do 10 repetitions. Ready? Press. 2, 3. Relax. 2, 2, 3. Relax. 3, 2, 3. Relax. 4, 2, 3. Relax. 5, 2, 3, relax. 6, 2, 3, relax. 7, 2, 3, relax. 8, 2, 3, relax. 9, 2, 3, relax. 10, 2, 3, relax. Oh, good job. Next, we'll do pushbacks against a wall. Stand with the backs of your heels a couple inches, 2 or 3 inches away from the wall, and then push your hands back with the backs of your hands touching the wall and hold for 3 seconds. We'll do 10 repetitions. Ready? Press, 2, 3, relax. Press, 2, 3, that's 2. And press, 2, 3, for 3. Press, 2, 3, for 4. Press, 2, 3, for 5. Press, 2, 3, for 6. Press, 2, 3, for 7. Press, 2, 3, for 8. Press, 2, 3, for 9. And press, 2, 3, for 10. Do these exercises a couple times a week. Over time, you'll train your body to have better posture for your spine and for your shoulders. Doing good core work is also important for your posture. Check out my intermediate abdominals video to strengthen your core by tapping its image on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video.